Subscriber who told me to go here and give food for all the construction workers. Hi mga kaibigan. Dito ako sa Isatan in Recto. I'm right at the Jollibee and I'm here because one of my subscribers, Julia, it's you huh? Julia, you suggested I should get some sandwiches for the construction workers doon sa Jones Bridge. Siguro gutom na sila, di ba? Kasi hardworking, araw-araw na talaga, di ba? I think they're about 30, mga 30 daw doon, di ba? Construction workers. Let's see what we can get. Let's look for the manager. Oh, wow! And guards, huh? Wow. We are here. Oh, look, this is Ada. Ada is gonna help me give away food to the construction workers at Jones Bridge. Because maganda na yun, di ba? Kita mo yun, yung Jones Bridge na yun? Hindi ba? Yung lamppost doon, di ba? Maganda, no? Yes! Oo, tama yun, Yorn. We are in Isatan, no? Isatan talaga. Yeah. Yes. And it's not close anymore. Guys, we got 30 orders of yum burger with cheese, fries, and coke. We're gonna bring it down to Jones Bridge and give it away to all the construction workers there because they're working so hard. And I saw them the other day with all their dirty hands and whatever, and they look so happy all the time. So let's do something for them. This is Julia. Julia, thank you so much. I was looking for sandwiches. You recommended some sandwiches. I cannot find sandwiches, so I decided on Jollibee, and everybody likes Jollibee, so here we are. And you'll see us down at the bridge in just a moment. This is what we're gonna give to the construction workers down at Jones Bridge. Ito ha, bigay ko sa construction workers doon sa Jones Bridge. Isang yum burger with cheese, french fries, tapos isang coke. Yan. Oh, may ketchup. Ketchup oh. Finally here at Jones Bridge. I'm gonna find the construction workers. We're gonna give them some merienda. Okay, I see they're already painting down here. You see under the underpass, under the bridge. Oh, get them alive. Spaghetti wires, tanggal na. Lahat. Hindi ba? Kailan matapos ko yan? Kaya mas welcome here. Okay lang yun. Then passing river and go to Maynila. Wow, happy na sila. And we are happy because they're removing the spaghetti wires. Well, it's gonna look nice na walang spaghetti wires na. Guys, look at the hanging gardens. It's becoming so beautiful. Let's give to the guys who work with the hanging gardens as well, huh? Hardworking? Hindi. Ingat na agad niya. Hindi ba? Patay. Dahil sa yung puso. Hindi ba? Paano siya? Lalaban niya sa usok. Ah, talaga? Ganda. Thank you. Oo, kain ka. Okay. Meron ba? Doon meron. Sige. Thank you, ha? Ano ba nyo? Tanggal na? So walang spaghetti wire na hindi pangit na? Ha? Isa pa, no? Thank you, ha? Thank you. Dahil sa'yo, maganda na yung Jones Bridge, di ba? Tama ba? Sige, thank you din. Hey guys. Grabe ang kanta talaga. Look at the weather. It's beautiful blue sky with a few clouds. Water is moving. It's a little bit more clean. Doesn't smell so bad. Hindi naman baho talaga na yun eh. Tapos kanta yun rich. Guys, may sabihin ako sa'yo. The Jollibee was not enough kanina. Mas maraming workers doon sa kabilang site. So, we're gonna buy more Jollibee. Let's go! Yung cheesy yung burger. 30 seconds. Pwede ba ilagay sa one bag? Ilagay ko doon sa Jones Bridge yung construction workers. Okay lang. Oh, see? Because kanina bibigyan ko sa isitan. So, mataming workers talaga. Ano sa share mo? 26 years doon sa Tagal, no? At hangit tissue. Oo, kasi no split nasa sa Tagalog eh. No, joke lang, 100 joke lang. Joke lang. Jollibee, thank you. You're giving us a guide to help to bring to the workers of Jones Bridge. Hey, Kuya! Hardworking ka! Ano yun? Opo! Wow, ganda! Ano yun?
It's a marble effect like that.
The marble effect?
Marble effect, yeah.
Wow! Ikaw magawa yun?
Yeah, I'm Master Ringo.
Master Ringo?
I'm the one who do the marble effect.
Yeah.
In Jacinto, I'm.
Ah, really?
Yeah, thank you.
Wow! Galing si Kuya! You're welcome, Kuya! Thank you din! Salamat po din!
Thank you, God bless.
Kuya! Ano? Hardworking kayo! Oo! Kaya din! Thank you po! Kasi mainit! Bakit hardworking kayo? Guys! You always hardworking kayo eh! Thank you, Kuya! Oh! Ano ba? Ilang kayo? Dami? So pa hardworking sila, di ba? We need to show them that we appreciate them. Hey guys! You're the one who came in? Oy, ang ganda na! Yeah! Ano ito? Terracotta. Terracotta. White terracotta. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. Wow, po na lang natin matapos. Oh, ilang po mo yun? Kapasok sa pila. Well, 60. Thank you. Guys, don't forget, si MJ taga Jollibee. Thank you, sir. Sige, bye. Thank you, guys. Oh, hardworking kayo, diba? Ano mo ako doon? Luther. Kuya, pasayo lahat. Lagi naman hardworking kayo eh. Oh, thank you. Welcome. Wow, grabe, init talaga dito sa Jones Bridge na yon, ha? Dahil sa iyo, Julia Landown. Thank you so much to a subscriber who told me to go here and give food for all the construction workers. who will give me more suggestions of what to do in my next videos.